The future of air combat is changing faster than ever before, and the United States is preparing for the next era of aerial dominance. One of the most ambitious and secretive military aviation projects currently under development is the Next Generation Air Dominance, widely known as NGAD. This revolutionary program aims to create the world's most advanced sixth-generation fighter aircraft, designed to dominate the skies against any future threat. The NGAD program is being led by the United States Air Force and represents a massive leap forward in military aviation technology. Unlike traditional fighter programs that focus on a single aircraft, NGAD is designed as a complete system of systems. This means the fighter jet will operate alongside advanced drones, artificial intelligence systems, and cutting-edge communication networks. Together, these technologies will form a powerful combat ecosystem capable of overwhelming enemy defenses. The exact design of the NGAD fighter remains highly classified, but defense experts believe the aircraft will feature a stealth shape even more advanced than current stealth jets like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. Stealth technology will allow the aircraft to penetrate heavily defended airspace without being detected by enemy radar. Engineers are expected to use next-generation materials, improved radar-absorbing coatings, and innovative aerodynamic designs to minimize the aircraft's radar and infrared signature. Speed and power will also play a critical role in the NGAD fighter. Military analysts believe the aircraft will be capable of flying at extremely high speeds while maintaining long-range capabilities. This will allow it to operate across vast distances, especially in strategic regions like the Pacific Ocean. The ability to travel long distances quickly will help the United States respond rapidly to potential conflicts. Another revolutionary aspect of the NGAD program is the integration of artificial intelligence. The aircraft will likely feature advanced AI systems capable of assisting the pilot in complex combat situations. These systems could analyze battlefield data in real time, identify threats, and suggest tactical decisions within seconds. This level of automation will give pilots a huge advantage during high-speed aerial combat where every moment matters. Perhaps one of the most groundbreaking features of NGAD is its partnership with unmanned aircraft known as collaborative combat aircraft. These drones will fly alongside the main fighter jet and act as force multipliers. Some drones could carry additional weapons, while others could perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or even sacrifice themselves to protect the main aircraft. By controlling multiple drones from a single cockpit, a pilot could effectively command an entire mini-air force during combat. The NGAD fighter is also expected to carry next-generation weapons far more advanced than those currently used by modern fighters. These may include hypersonic missiles, advanced air-to-air missiles, and possibly even directed energy weapons such as lasers. Hypersonic weapons can travel at speeds greater than 5 times the speed of sound, making them extremely difficult for enemy defenses to intercept. Another important advantage of NGAD will be its advanced sensors and communication systems. The aircraft will likely be equipped with highly powerful radar systems capable of detecting enemy aircraft from long distances while remaining difficult to detect itself. At the same time, it will share data with satellites, ground forces, naval fleets, and other aircraft through secure high-speed networks. This network-centric warfare approach will allow military forces to coordinate operations with incredible precision. The companies competing to build the NGAD fighter include major American defense contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman. Each of these companies has decades of experience designing some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. While the final design remains secret, reports suggest that experimental prototypes have already flown during classified tests. The development of NGAD comes at a time when global military competition is intensifying. Countries such as China and Russia are also investing heavily in next-generation fighter technologies. By developing NGAD, the United States aims to maintain air superiority for decades to come. In addition to its combat capabilities, NGAD will also focus on sustainability and efficiency. Engineers are exploring new engine technologies that could provide greater fuel efficiency and more power. These advanced engines may also allow the aircraft to adapt its performance depending on mission requirements, providing both high speed and long-range endurance. The program is expected to cost billions of dollars, making it one of the most expensive fighter development efforts in history. However, military leaders argue that maintaining air superiority is essential for national security. In modern warfare, control of the skies often determines the outcome of conflicts on land and sea. While many details remain classified, experts believe the first operational NGAD aircraft could enter service sometime in the 2030s. When it finally becomes operational, it may redefine how air combat is fought. With its combination of stealth, artificial intelligence, drone coordination, advanced weapons, and unmatched situational awareness, the NGAD fighter could become the most powerful combat aircraft ever built. As technology continues to evolve, the skies of the future will likely look very different from those of today. Fighter pilots may no longer fight alone in the cockpit but instead command networks of drones and intelligent systems that work together seamlessly. The NGAD program represents this new vision of aerial warfare, where speed, stealth, and smart technology combine to create an unstoppable force. For now, the world can only speculate about the full capabilities of this mysterious aircraft. But one thing is certain, the next generation air dominance fighter will play a major role in shaping the future of military aviation and ensuring that the United States remains a dominant force in the skies for many years to come. Airplane rocket.